Stop what you are doing and listen. Avoid drains, sewer grates, and drainage points entirely. There are 1,456 reports of serious injuries caused by the entity, 345 reports of disappearances, and 157 fatalities. The entity extends a 5-foot arm toward any victim within a 10-foot radius. If it cannot reach the victim, it emerges completely from the drainage point and engages in hand-to-hand combat with the victim until they are pulled into the drain. Afterward, it transforms the victim into another sewer entity. To avoid this, 1. Lock rooms containing drains from the outside. 2. Lock your doors and windows. 3. If you see a person with impossible physical characteristics, run and hide. 4. If you hear unfamiliar noises, run and hide. 5. If you hear aggressive knocking on the door, consider praying. 6. If you hear an unfamiliar voice, run and hide, and consider praying. Thank you for your understanding.